Section 212. Furnishing false information to any public servant. Punishment: imprisonment up to 6 months or fine up to Rs 5,000 or both. Section 213. Refusing oath or affirmation when duly required by the public servant. Punishment: imprisonment up to 6 months or fine up to Rs 5,000 or both. Section 214. Refusing to answer the public servant authorized to question. Punishment: imprisonment up to 6 months or fine up to Rs 5,000 or both. Section 215. Refusal to sign any statement made by the person when required to sign that statement by a public servant. Punishment: imprisonment up to 3 months or fine up to Rs 3,000 or both. Section 216. False statement on oath or affirmation to public servant or person authorized to administer an oath or affirmation. Punishment: imprisonment up to 3 years or fine or both. Section 217. False information with intent to cause public servant to use his lawful power to the injury of another person. Punishment: imprisonment up to 1 year or fine up to Rs 10,000 or both. Section 352. Intentional insult with intent to provoke breach of peace. Punishment: imprisonment up to 2 years or fine or both. Section 353. Statements conducting to public mischief. Punishment: imprisonment up to 3 years or fine or both. In this education video, we have learned about the different sections related to the elections in the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.